Hey, welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do a little bit of shoe maintenance. These are my Edward Green Dovers, and I wore them the other day, and you can see that you get a little bit of get a little scratched up there. You can see the polish, both little areas here and there. So what I thought I'd do is to do something completely different. I'm going to take the polish off of them so that it is just the Utah calf. So my favorite cleaning conditioner is Pure Polish. And so I'm just going to take this and I'm going to rub it in like so. Now, this is one that is really good at removing polish. And get that in the light there. And then what I have to do in order to really get it off is use a cloth. If you just use your hands, it doesn't fully come off. And sometimes you actually have to do it like you would applying polish. But you have to be really careful with Pure Polish not to overdo it. And so you just have to let it dry in between. So, but here there's been a little bit of a burnish, which is darkening it just a little bit. All right. So you can see, I'm just taking it off a little at a time. And of course, I tend to do the heels too. You can see how much is coming off. And I tend to use lighter polishes on my really good shoes. And so now you're seeing this. Now this is Utah calf. So going casual and using very little polish, if any, is totally acceptable. And because I tend to wear my shoes hard, especially these, which I actually had out on the boat using as boat shoes, I want to make sure that I'm taking care of them, but at the same time treating them the way I want them to look. And in this case, I want them to look a little beat up. So I'm not going to use Severe Renovateur, and I'm not going to spend a lot of time over conditioning or polishing. I really just want that natural aged look to develop as I wear these as part of my smaller rotation for fall. Now again, Utah calf. It doesn't require a lot of care. It's mostly this, but I'm going to go over this again so you can see how much comes off even after you're not doing direct application and you're just letting it soak in. Because remember, I'm trying to take off the color. Very, very well made pair of shoes. They are clearly one of my favorite, and the reason I decided to try Utah calf to begin with. And now one of the few pairs that I have that's still in it. Now, if you don't have them, that's fine, but I like to use with my heavy grains, I like to use a boar's hair brush. And this is from Avihorn. And this just makes sure that my solvent is getting into the pores of the grain. like that. Put this down there. Let it focus. I still have a bit of shine coming up on this, which probably means I need to do it again, or I just need to wear them again and let it calm down. But look at that shine. Dovers keep their shine a long time, and of course all the gaps in the shine are gone with just a light cleaning. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Just a quick maintenance video today. Wishing everybody well. Thanks for watching.